Welcome back. We are now going to look at the insert menu, and we're going to look more in depth into the screen recording. And to do that, we're going to insert a blank slide, and then we're going to go to the insert menu, and then we're going to click on screen recording. We're going to select an area of the screen. We're going to draw that area. And then that is what we are going to record. Now, obviously, you can select the area that you want to record. Now, when you click the record button, Microsoft PowerPoint is going to tell you what you need to do in order to pause or stop the recording. So, for example, what we're going to do is we're going to click the logo key, the Shift key, and the R key in order to start the recording. And then we'll click the logo key, Shift key, and Q key in order to stop the recording. So what we're going to do right now is we've already created our recording. We're just going to move some icons around. And then we're going to click the logo key, we're going to click the Shift key, and then we're going to click the Q key to stop the recording. And you'll notice then that our recording is now inside of our slide. We can reduce the size of the video and place it inside of our slide. And then we have formatting tools at the top, and we have playback tools. So for example, we can do a fade in. We can write that fade in. And we can do a fade out. And we have other controls such as playing full screen, hiding while not playing, looping until stop, and rewind until after playing. Now we can control the shape of the video as it appears. We can control the border on that video. We can also control the effects, and you'll see those same effects here at the top. We can decide how we want to trigger the video. So for example, we can say we only want it to be played when clicked on. And then we can preview our video by clicking this green button. And you'll notice that the mouse is moving as well as the icons. What we will do now is we will play our video in our presentation. We'll click from current slide. We'll then reconfigure our display settings. Now, if you recall, our video only plays when we click on it. That's how we set it up. So we're going to go ahead in our presentation, and we're going to go ahead and click the video. And Q key in order to and you can see and hear the sound. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.